Let's see what happens. Oh! Okay. That's my first choice. Cool. Hey guys, it's Greg with Medical Muscle. Well, I finally found out where I'm going and what specialty I matched and all that good stuff. I'm gonna tell you guys that from the beginning, I really had one choice, and it ended up changing throughout my medical school career, right? So from the beginning, emergency medicine was my jam, pretty much the whole time. I liked that there was a benefit to the lifestyle, right? The hours are pretty good. It's shift work. You know, I felt like you could have a pretty good work-life balance. Obviously, there's some downsides. You have overnight calls, but you know, when your shift ends, you're done. It's pretty cut and dry. But I always kept my eye out for other specialties, right? I always wanted to see what the benefit was from other specialties. Going through school, that was my main goal. All my research was emergency medicine, all that stuff. But found that I really liked other types of medicine. Okay. I found that I really liked endocrinology. I really liked neurology. I really liked psychiatry. I really liked that content. So in third year, at my first rotation was psychiatry. And I absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved it. It just so happened I was paired up with a lot of patients who had overdosed from opiates. And they were young guys, about the same age as me. And I really enjoyed just connecting with them and trying to motivate them to, maybe this is the wake-up call. If you overdose, this is the time to maybe make a change. And what can we do to make sure that you get on your feet and you can have a productive life, right? And, I did my emergency medicine rotation. I loved it. But I realized soon after that what I liked about emergency was when I got the psych cases. And so I decided psychiatry is the way to go for me. Obviously the work-life balance, I felt like there was a lot of that. I liked the people that I got to work with. People really need help. I know in psychiatry, you can't always help everybody. Sometimes treatment doesn't work. It's the way it goes. But if you can help one person, then that's amazing, right? I think with child and adolescent, I really enjoyed it. I felt like it's at an age where you can kind of be a really huge influence on their life. There's all these paths, major pathways, and they can either go down a really dark road or you can help them get onto the right pathway by helping them with their psychiatric stuff. Let it be bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, depression, suicidal thoughts. It was just very clear to me that psychiatry seemed to fit. Yeah, psychiatry was the choice for me. I absolutely love it, and this is what I want to do. I feel like if you know my channel, my main thing is to motivate you guys because I want you guys to succeed, and I felt like in psychiatry, I could do the same thing with my patients. So I got my number one pick for psychiatry. I'm not going to say the exact hospital, but I could say that it was out here on the East Coast. Number one pick. I'm very excited. I got to rotate there. And I got to meet the director, very nice guy. Everything about the program was what I wanted. There was a lot of exposure to a whole array of patients, all kinds. In a geriatric department, we had an involuntary, a voluntary, child, people with mental disabilities. And I just wanted that exposure to all those different patient populations to be the best trained psychiatrist that I can be. So guys, my goal is that I'll still be making videos for you guys in residency, to give you guys some hints on that. But I also want to keep making content on how to get to this point, how you're going to do well in term 1, how you're going to do well in term 2, term 3, term 4, and year 3. And, obviously some other advice and other things too. So you guys, I just want to tell you that this has been a great experience, and I'm glad I get to share it with you guys.